Let's create this head from Art Attack, one of my favorite shows as a kid. So I am starting off with a bald cap already on. This is just plastic wrap. I can link a tutorial for that below. Then I'm taking some magic modeling clay and just shaping those into little noodles, using some liquid latex to stick that onto the plastic wrap. This is a little bit tedious, so just take your time with it. You want to make sure you cover all of your hair, and you want to add some texture, so kind of make some of the little noodles look squiggly, going in different directions, since this is going to be his hair. And in the end, you should look like you have a bunch of ramen noodle on your head. Next, I'm moving on to the neck and shoulder portion. I'm taking more of that magic modeling clay and really like building up the sides of my neck and kind of just putting it all on my neck as well to add that stone texture look. Next, I'm taking some gray water activated paint, and I'm gonna paint all over the magic modeling clay. So really just making sure I fill all those little areas in. Then I'm taking some black eyeshadow and some black water activated paint, and I'm going to start to get into all the little grooves and crevices. Now I'm moving on to the face. Again, I'm taking that magic modeling clay. That's basically what this whole look is. And I'm starting to shape the chin, the cheeks, the nose, the eyebrows, basically all the facial features. Then just using more gray to fill everything in. I'm making kind of like a bulbous nose, and really I end up putting the magic modeling clay kind of all over my face. I'm making the eyes, the ears as well. I made those beforehand. And I just stuck them kind of right in front of my own ears. Then just using some light gray and dark gray to fill everything in. Now I'm moving on to the eyes. So this part I really can't see, so I'm putting the eyes kind of towards the side. So if I turn my head from side to side, I can still see, but not the best. So that's why I definitely recommend doing the eyes at the end. So then I'm just making sure I'm shading everything in, painting the eyes blue, adding my final touches, putting the board around, and then that's the final result. This is my nostalgic Art Attack makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed.